Hey guys, it's Marie Antoinette, Mielle Professional Influencer 1 and leader of Teen Face Fairies. And I am so excited to do a makeup collab with Fenty Beauty and Mielle. Yes, two amazing brands in one look. I have done my eyes with Fenty Beauty's Killawatt Foil in the colors Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. The first thing that I do is I prime my eyes with SeneGence's Shadow Sense in the color Candlelight. I just go ahead and apply that all over the lid, and then I'll take the Dawn to Dusk eyeshadow palette and I'll use this first color right here to put it all over with a big fluffy brush like this, and then I will go ahead and take my crease brush and apply that third brown color right there. That is what it looks like. Okay, after I have that on, then we start applying the Fenty Beauty, and I love, love, love the Killawatt foils. It's amazing. So here we go. So I'll be using all kinds of different brushes, and as you can see what they look like, I love my brushes. I'll be using some flat brushes, some brushes that are a little bit more flexible. And then for the eyeliner, I'll be using 3 different eyelining brushes, 2 smudgers, one is thicker than the other, and then a eyeliner brush. So the first thing we want to do is we want to pack our color in with our flat brush right on the lid. Now I do want to say applying it with the flat brush makes the color more intense, but also on top of that, what ends up happening is that it also doesn't move as much. So if you want a very softer feel, go with a fluffier brush. Now we're going to take our fluffier brush and we're going to use it on the Sangria Sunset and apply that on the outer corner of your eye. Now here's a little tip for you. If you want the color even more intense, pick yourself up some NYX Multitasker Mixing Medium. And this is amazing, guys. It will make the color 3 times brighter than it already is. Now for the brow bone, what I use is a white color. I use the Mielle's Hypnotize palette. I like Mielle's because there's very little fallout and it applies so nicely. It's also cruelty free. Let's get on with our eyeliner. Okay, so for this, we're going to play it really fun, and we're going to take our smudger, the thicker of the 2. We're going to pick that up with some color, and then we're going to go ahead and smudge it on in. Then after that's done, you're going to take the smaller of the 2 eyeliner smudgers, then you're going to smudge the darkest shade of the Dawn to Dusk palette in your eye. I'm using Shadow Sense by SeneGence in the color Onyx. Now if you've never used SeneGence before, one thing I need to tell you is less is more. So I just pick up a little bit of color just like that, and that's all I use on my eyelid. And as you can see, I have some pink here and none here, but that's because the next step that you want to do is you want to go ahead and apply your Secret Illuminator. And I'll apply some here as well. Then we'll want to curl our eyelashes, and we'll do that with the Film Star eyelash curlers and the Above Beyond mascara. Check out my videos on how to apply the Picture Perfect powder and the red carpet strobing kit. And now we're ready to put on our foundation which is the Picture Perfect Powder by Mielle, the Red Carpet Strobing Kit by Mielle, which is a fantastic contouring kit that is for all skin types and all skin colors. Make sure you hydrate your face. You can use any kind of finishing spray that you'd like. And in this video, I'm using Perfectly Posh's Mist and Shout. Apply some cheeky blush, which is it's just like the perfect pop of color. The last step is to put on the Mielle Beauty Clearly Brilliant lip colors. And I love these tinted lip colors. They're very creamy, moist, and shea butter. If you want to learn more about it, make sure you go ahead and click on the link above, and you can learn all about it, including our 6 gorgeous shades. With your lips with a little bit of pop of color, go ahead and try the Fenty on your Clearly Brilliant lips. It is super amazing, and I'll be creating a video on that, so as soon as that is up, you can click on the card here to learn more. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, make sure that you subscribe. I'm always open to review new beauty products. So I want to know, what is your favorite new beauty product? You never know if I will go ahead and do a review on that and use Mielle with it to create a custom look. If you'd like to learn more about how you can be a Mielle Pro and get 25% off, feel free to comment below or connect with me. All of my information is in the links below. Thank you so much for watching.